Na na yeah, na na yeah, na na oh yeah. More win, more lose, now they laugh today. But I will take you to the next level to make you see. Not just to make you see and not just to make you feel, but just to make you understand. So we got life to live. They don't they talk and say now we be leaders of tomorrow, but we don't see the change and we don't see the power. Small thing and enter street, police say a para, cause I don't get the change and I don't get the power. I can't think, I can't the reason how to make an effect. They say we they too lazy, say we don't get the power. Wait, if you sake of waiting, I enter politics for. She not sake of profit or sake of people just they die every day. For the streets, we they hustle every day. So many people just they cry every day. I say so many people just they cry every day, just to chop every day. Not just they enjoy. Not just that they just flying out abroad. You feel do something with you to change this matter. I say you feel do something with you to change this matter. Make you change this matter. So we youth, make we no go mumutu. We ourselves, we do something to change this matter too. Make we no go sit down just to become chain smoker. And make we no go collect bribe just to do tough election. Yeah, we get youth parties. We feel do new things with the youth. I believe say we feel try new things. So make we join it together, reason matter together. Maybe Oluwa fit answer our prayer one day. Yeah. Our prayer one day, maybe Oluwa fit answer our prayer one day. Our prayer one day, maybe Oluwa fit do great change for the matter.